Hey guys, it's Mary. I wanted to come and share something new that I purchased. So I have the Marquee by Diamond Press. I also have the Crafter's Companion Mini and Midi. And I use the Marquee a lot and the Mini. But if you're familiar with those, you'll be familiar with these. And this. And this. So, I'm kind of tired of having to deal with these all the time. And even though you can use them no matter how they look, it does affect your outcome sometimes, not only your die but the paper. And so I've been looking at platform little machines, and I shopped around and I finally made the decision and purchased the Hero Arts little compact cutter because it has plates like the big machine, the Big Shot Switch that I have. So I researched the Hero Arts cutter. We Are Memory Keepers. I can't remember what it was called. And then Altenew has a Blossom, they call it. But I settled on this one. For one, Hero Arts is a, they've been around forever. Two, they had their replacement plates in stock, which I can't say for the We Are Memory Keeper one. So that was my deciding factor. So, but the main reason, I should say, besides all of those, was even though it's 3 inches, this one is the only one that had a cutting surface of 8.5 inches. All the other ones were 6. And 8.5 will fit a lot of slimline dies. So I wanted to make it worth my while. So it's cute, it's small. Let me show you. And here it is. It has a little grip, has little suctions, which on a regular table would probably work. But nothing really sticks to this mat. But I've never had a crank machine that you could just crank it and not have to hold the top of it. So that wasn't an issue for me. It comes with an A plate, which is the top plate, and 2 B plates. You don't use the B plates together. They just send you an extra plate because, after a while they do wear out. So let me show you. I've got So you always want to cut into the B plate, as they say. They do show when you cut to have it this way, so that it's cutting so that the cut side of the die is facing up. So we've got the B plate, we've got the paper, and then this says together, and it's facing down. And then we've got the A plate, and I will turn it over as their suggestion goes. And then it's a little bit more to crank than the Marquee. The Marquee is like butter, but look at how perfect that is. And so I'm happy. I'm happy with it. I'm happy that it has the regular plates. And here is a Diamond Press slimline. And as you can see, it will fit perfectly to cut the whole thing out. So that was one of the things that I was looking for also. So I'm happy with that. So I would imagine that, you know, we'll need to flip this back and forth like the normal plates, but I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. So, and I don't think, I can't remember, but I do know, I can't, the replacement plates aren't very much. Hero Arts is, you know, a local to California. Since I'm in California, so, but so far I'm happy with it. I like, and look at how nice it cut. So that's it. So if you're looking for a replacement, you know, manual machine that takes plates instead of folders, Lord knows, luckily Diamond Press sends a new folder every time I get an auto ship. So, but I can't, the same can't be said for Crafter's Companion. So, but I highly recommend it. And it wasn't bad price-wise. I think the normal price was $49. But I had some reward points, so I got $10 off of that. So it ended up $39. So anyway, I think it's cute. And it has, it's 3 inches, but, you know, if I need more than 3 inches wide, then I've got the Marquee, which is 4 inches, or my big machine. So it's all good. All right, so that's it. So let me know in comments if you have a manual machine and which one you have, and if you have one that has plates instead of the folders. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, if you could hit that like button, it would be awesome. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you hit the little bell, it will send you notifications when there's a new video to be watched. And that's it. So leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent. So, all right, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.